A continuous power supply is crucial for a wide range of manufacturing and transportation industries. Delta's industrial UPSs provide robust protection for critical loads in challenging environments. Introducing the IPT UPS, available globally, the IPT UPS offers a wide power range for various industries. To withstand harsh environments, it features a mechanical design that resists liquids, dust and conductive dust, high humidity, high temperatures, as well as earthquakes with its seismic GR63 Zone 4 enclosure. The inverter zigzag isolation transformer handles heavy unbalanced loads with full kVA output. It delivers 3.3 times the rated current for short-circuit clearing, thereby outperforming conventional machines by 35%. The IPT UPS provides robust load isolation for inrush currents, protecting critical facilities and enhancing system resilience. In addition, utilizing key modules in a parallel redundant design further strengthens its reliability and availability. The IPT UPS incorporates power factor correction to reduce total harmonic distortion to less than 3%, and it achieves an 80% improvement, which results in lowering front-end capital and aids in factory compliance with energy regulations. In a world of uncertainty, we redefine reliability. Delta IPT UPS. Strong and efficient. Always reliable.